Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are feeling amazing today, as you should. Today we're gonna be taking the challenge to create a packaging design in two versions. One is gonna be simple and the other one is gonna be complex. In the packaging design industry, it's up to your clients to decide what kind of product packaging he or she wants. But today we're gonna explore both options and we're gonna see which one looks better. I'll see you in a bit. Bye bye. Okay, for our first option, we're gonna go with the simple design first. Daisy is a fragrance perfume company for women, and that's why I chose this kind of feminine colors. For the simple packaging design, I was thinking of keeping the background white and simple and minimal. So I'm gonna play around with some circles and shapes in between them to get the full packaging design look. And I also created a simple logo. I didn't want to spend much time for the logo, so it is just a simple font because today's video is dedicated to the packaging. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this simple packaging design, and soon we will go for the complex one. Okay, now that we are done with the simple packaging design, we're gonna go to the complex one. For this packaging, I decided to draw an illustration of a girl with flowers, which I thought it was the best idea to represent the feminine perfume line. I'm gonna speed this up a little bit while I'm drawing the illustration to not bore you throughout the whole video. And after I'm done with the illustration, I'm going to implement some swirly lines behind it to make the packaging more complex. So I'm gonna see you at the end of the video, where I'm going to show you both designs next to each other. And I guess that now we are done with this video. Just a quick tip, before you design packagings, make sure to gather some inspiration before designing them, to make your process of actually designing them a bit quicker. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. I hope it was fun for you to see the difference between a simple and a complex packaging design. Let me know if in the comments what's wrong with me. Let me know in the comments if you like this type of videos. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.